Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your account has been disabled here in the App Store and iTunes or on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. The very first thing what you need to do is just here go back to your home screen, and there are a couple of steps to solve this issue. So the very first thing what you need to do is just open up your settings app on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and now tap here on password and security. And from here what you need to do is just you have to change your Apple ID password, because this may be the issue. So for that, tap here on change password, and then here you have to enter your passcode for your iDevice. So after you have given this, you have to put here your new password, and then verify it here by re-entering password. And then what you need to do is just you have to tap here on change, and your password will be changed, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then the very first thing which need to do is here tap on sign out, and sign out your Apple ID from here, and then turn off your device at least for the 20 seconds, and then turn back on, and then sign in with your Apple ID, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go for the next step. For that, again here open up settings app on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and then tap on media and purchases, and now tap on view account. And here what you need to do is just scroll it below and tap here on purchase history, and from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back. And after that what you need to do is just tap here on manage payments, and here what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have entered the correct CVV number and expiry dates. So you have to update your credit or debit information here. So after you have done this, just go back here, and here in the country region tap on this, and tap on change country or region. So from here what you need to do is you have to change your country from here. So like I'm selecting here United States, and here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them. So tap here on agree, and here you have to select your payment method. Like I'm selecting here at none, and here you have to give your information. You can put fake one as well, and then here you have to select your state. So I'm selecting here my state as California, and here you have to give the zip code for your state. If you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app, but in my case the zip code for the California is 90201. And here you have to give your phone number. You can put fake one as well. So after that tap on next, and it's done. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that what you need to do is just here open up Safari browser on your device, and then here search for the applesport.com. Here applesport.com, here it is, you can see. So tap on this, again tap here, and from here what you need to do is just here you have to select your device like iPhone or iPad. So I'm selecting here my device, and then here what you need to do is just you have to scroll it below until unless you see this type of option here, get scored. So tap here on start now, and scroll it below, and here find your carrier. So tap on this, and from here according to your network you have to select one from here like this one, and then after that you can contact with the contact carrier and tell them about your situation, and they will fix your problem. So That's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.